Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Learn. Friends, first like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Still you don't like and subscribe my channel and must comment that how you feel after watch the video. It is good or not. Friends, the many issues are going on about the brightness and eyesight issues. This is a main issue of any second person. Many person are got it the glasses on their face due to they are using the cell phones at the late night. So if you are going to use the late night cell phone, so you have to only install the one application that is will take the space 377 only. Okay, so you have to install this application. Go to Play Store. Right here, night mode app. Here are the many applications. This is night mode is already installed in my software. So I will open this. It's a very easy to start and use this. So the last brightness is this. So I want to do the start this. This is a started. I can decrease this. Start from here and you want to stop from this. Click this. You can do this. Start. Now the brightness issue will not be here. Friends must like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my videos.